Okay.
It's just gonna.
TTT, let's
It's
go.
gonna say what you are, and if you're sheriff, I have a thing for you. I wrote sheriff, so that's what we're gonna call it.
Ethan's the traitor. Ethan!
Fucking.
Wait, freaking stick kills.
Cease.
So do we just put it in our jacket?
Yeah, go ahead and just put it in your jacket.
Oh yeah, Ethan?
He does.
Yeah, I heard Weeaboo and Noob.
Oh, I'm taking the one that Austin was gonna take.
Weeaboo and
Taking
Noob.
this one.
Weeaboo Noob would be disgusting.
Okay, I'm sure.
I have whichever one's left. Okay.
Alex is the traitor!
What? Oh, you got it right, guys.
I knew you were the traitor. Jake's
You
the
get a
traitor.
stick kill.
Oh shit, dude, nice one. See, I kind of like just to run up to people and like, shit!
To rattle this
The
thing.
traitor or something?
I will
Back up.
Bro, I'll blow my camera out.
Okay. I need a friend. Alex, will you be my friend? Alex. Look at Chad at the end. They're talking. I kind of want to kill him off already. Oh, this is so hard. I tried so hard. There. Yeah, start the timer. Okay, you trust me? Here. Be honest.
Let's hold our guns like this until we actually see anybody. Or like this with our other hands, so we can go like that.
Okay.
Because people will trust us if we do this. Ready? Yeah.
I don't trust them at all.
Them?
Not at all.
I don't really do. They don't seem that shady.
Turn around.
I think Chad looks shady, but
Let's go. Let's look at the sheriff. The traitor. So the traitors will be hanging around the sheriff. So let's go that way. Oh, let's do this. The traitor pops out, we're screwed.
yeah. Wait.
I think it's time to get your gun out. Actually, no, don't. I wouldn't, because they'll shoot.
Yeah. Who's shooting? Who's just shot? Wait,
I don't know. I'm running though. Rip. Who died? Is that an us? Hey, stay back!
Wait, who is it?
Craig? Hey.
Hey, look, I'm gonna holster my gun.
Holster
Okay.
it then.
Did you guys see who it was?
It
No.
was you.
No,
Wait.
it wasn't.
Who was it?
I don't know.
Oh.
There was a lot of shooting, and my mag jammed, and it slipped out of my gun.
Wait, so you're not dead?
No, I'm not.
Okay,
Chris and Ian are like sticking together. They've been together the whole map.
Let's do it.
yeah. I suspect something of
Did
that.
I take my gun out without being shot?
Go ahead.
That was crazy.
that over there. What?
This guy just started shooting everybody.
Wait, who?
Huh?
Who?
Yeah, Austin
Where'd he go, bro? I can't remember his name.
just
Wait,
started
Chase?
fucking shooting at us.
Wait, where's
Chase,
Chris
the
and Ian?
detective?
The detective is dead.
Is that game?